Hey guys, I'm so excited for you to be checking out this Data Trends Technology Tips. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to free up storage from your device in seconds. We're using OneDrive for Business. This will also work for OneDrive for Personal. So in File Explorer, I want you to pay attention to the status bar here. We have two icons. The cloud icon means that this folder is being stored in the cloud. The green circle with the check mark icon means that this folder is being stored locally on this PC. The cloud icon, not taking up space on your PC. The green circle, taking up space on your PC. So how do we control this? This is a feature called Files on Demand. Right-click on the folder that you want to either keep on this device or move into the cloud. And you can just easily change it here. So let's say I don't need this folder and I want to free up space, so free up space. Okay. I still have access to all of these folders, but you notice they're all the cloud icon. That means that as long as I have an internet connection, I can get to them from anywhere in the world, but they're not taking up space on my device. And let's say I'm going to go on an airplane or I'm going to go somewhere that I don't have internet connection. I can always keep on this device. And now I have access to these files whenever I need them, wherever I need them without internet connection. And this means I am taking up space with these files on this device. So Files on Demand is a really simple way to control what files you have stored locally and what you have off in the cloud. All right, next we're going to talk about an amazing tool that is already on your Windows PC called Storage Sense. So I want you to type into the search bar, storage settings. All right, and at the top here, we see Storage Sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. You can see right now I have it turned off. So I'm going to click it on and then click Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. And you can notice down here too, you can see what's taking up the most space on your PC. Apps and features, documents, pictures, etc. All right, this is the coolest feature because Storage Sense can set up so that you automatically are taking files that are being stored locally and moving them onto the cloud. This top setting is going to determine how often it's running the settings below. So let's say monthly. I want once a month all of these settings to be run and my PC to be cleaned up, how I'm determining it. All right, temporary files. You don't need temporary files. Temporary files are things that get downloaded with other things. That is, something extra that let's say you need to install a program. It's going to come with temporary files that allows you to install that program. But once you've installed it, you no longer need those files. So they just take up space. Deleting your temporary files is a really quick and easy way to get your computer to run faster and to have more space. So I want to delete my temporary files every 14 days. The download folder. Most of the time that I download stuff, if I need it, I'm going to move it into a folder I need immediately. So if it's left in that download folder for 60 days, I probably don't need it anymore. So I'm going to do 60 days to stay safe. And then below here, your locally available cloud content. This is what I was talking about with Files on Demand. You can set all of these to automatically move things into the cloud that you have not accessed for a determined amount of time. So let's say I haven't opened the art folder for 60 days. I'm clearly not accessing it every day. I can still have access to it whenever I need, but now it's not going to be stored locally on my computer after 60 days. And again, you can change this whenever you want. It's not a determined, I'm moving this off of my computer and I can't have access to it. You have access to it as long as you have an internet connection. It's just being stored locally on your PC or in the cloud with OneDrive. And once you've set all the rules that you want, go ahead and do Clean Now. And now it's going to run all the rules. It's going to remove my temporary files. It's going to clean up my downloads folder. And anything that I've set to be removed that I haven't accessed for 60 days, it's just going to go in the cloud. It's really simple, and it's an incredible tool that you have already to be in control of your storage. Thanks so much for checking this out, and tune in to the next Data Trends Technology Tips.